Welcome back RK Learning Kite friends. Friends, we are learning KTI V5 and in this KTI 5 we have learned shape design. Okay, and in this shape design I am going to teach you today last part of 4 sweep command. Okay, so first part 1, part 2, part 3 I have uploaded already sweep command, and today we discuss last part balance sweep command. Okay, so let's start. So here I have sweep command, here I have part number 4. Today we discuss all command. Here we have 4 options. So first we learn 2 guide curves. Okay, so start. So for this option we need to make a 2 surface. Okay, so we need to surface. So select this plane, you just try. I select here spline, I just draw one curve this time. Okay, and I use here extrude command, both direction I extrude. Okay, so we can use same plane, no problem. Extrude command use here, I use same plane but I make this type. Okay friends, so see here, close it and finish it. I make again extrude command. So we have 2 planes. Okay, so 2 plane have, in this between we have to create any surface. So select sweep command, here I have 2 guide curves. So guide curve 1 tangential surface need, guide curve 2 tangential surface need. So this is the guide curve, this is the tangential surface, this is the second guide curve, this is the tangential surface, and here you need angle sum increase. After that you can see result, preview check. Okay, so this is here 14 degree, here 30 degree. So you decrease, you increase 5, you see. Okay, decrease, you see. So increase, you see, increase, you see. Okay friends, so this way you can make a surface with the help of 2 guide curves options. Okay, this is the conic type. This is the conic type sweep. Okay friends, so first option you have understood. So this surface I delete, this sketch I modify. Okay, modify means some distance increase and finish it. So we have, this way we have made 2 surface. Okay, so we need to create other options. We need to discuss second option. So I select this one and make datum plane parallelly and finish it. See, this surface and this surface between I have create datum plane. I select this datum plane and I made here one line. Okay friends, just you made here one line and finish it. See, guide curve, this is guide curve and these guide curves. So select here sweep. So this is the first guide curve, first tangential surface, last guide curves, and I select the wrong option. So again sweep, you select the second option, 3 guide curves. Okay, so first guide curves, first tangential surface, second guide curves, and third guide curve, and third tangential surface. Okay, second guide curves only guide curves need, not tangential surface. Review check. So this type surface created friends, here tangency and here tangency, and if you increase this angle, so you can decrease this angle. Okay, so this one go this side, So you put here minus 10 degree. So what happened? So this one go this side. Okay. And this one increase. Maybe you see. So this one also decrease. Maybe you see. Okay. So this is the conic type surface created. Understood? So okay. Now we need to discuss third options. So delete, delete and delete. Okay. So this one also delete. See, this one also delete. Okay. So this is this one I keep one guide curve here. I have one surface head. Okay. So let's see what option I have. 4 guide curves. Here need 4 guide curves. Okay. So this is the curve and surface have no. So this way we need to guide curve make 4 guide curves. Okay. So we need to make a 4 datum plane. So select this one. Make datum plane 1. I select some here. Again select datum plane. Again select here. Again select datum plane. Go to here. Okay. So 4 datum plane I have made. So this one datum plane select. Make sketch. I made here one line. Okay. And finish it. So this is okay. Again I select this one. Make a sketch. Again I made here one line. Just finish it. Okay. Again select this plane. Go to here. Again I made here one line. Finish it. So 4 guide curves here. Maybe this is not created because too much height have. So this one keep here, this one keep here, this way have. So this way possibility have. Okay. So one more try, one more sweep. 4 guide curves. So this is the guide curves. This is a tangential surface. Guide curve 2, guide curve 3 and guide curve 4. Preview check. Okay. So this is created. ये here angle है. Preview check. Okay. So this is the options. If you decrease, preview check. Okay friends. This is the 4 guide curve options. Close it. I want to shift this sketch. Some better result. Okay. So this one I shift here. And finish it. And go to this one edit. This one I select here, shift here. Okay. And okay, keep it. Now sweep select guide curve, tangential surface, second guide curve, third guide curve, and this is the 4th guide curve. Preview check. Okay, this is the conic type. So this is the too much height. Please decrease your height. Okay. So this one also you shift this sketch. You take here. So this one also you keep here and finish it. Now see result. Sweep, guide curve, tangential surface, second guide curve, third guide curve and 4th guide curve. And preview. Okay friends. It's So this way we can create 4 guide curves options. Now next option have, so this one I delete. Now next option have 5 guide curves. Okay, so here we don't need any surface. Okay, so guide curve 1, guide curve 2, guide curve 3, guide curve 4. So guide curve, last guide curve we need. So you can delete this surface, no problem. Okay, you can delete this one also, and just you select this plane and make here one guide curve again. Okay, I made it here and just finish it. So we have made 4 guide curves. Again I want to make 1 guide curve, so we make datum plane and go to here, draw last guide curves. So I draw this situation and just finish it. Okay, so we have 4 guide curves, 5 guide curves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just you select, here are 5 guide curves, first guide curve, second guide curve, third guide curve, fourth guide curve, and 5 guide curve. Okay friends, so this is the last option of sweep command. So I have explained 4 options. So I think you have understood. If you have not understood, so please one more time video see and practice. So if you do not subscribe RK Learning Cat, so please subscribe RK Learning Cat, and I have uploaded this type videos in my channel. So if you are a civil engineer, if you are a mechanical engineer, so you can subscribe this channel, because you are engineer, so you know what is CATIA, what is the Clio, what is the other softwares, and this software how to helpful your career. Okay, so you can learn any software from RK Learning Cat's YouTube channel. So we will meet next video and we will discuss other shape design tools. Have a nice day.